Smile, baby.
Markets with Mum. This is what I see, babe. Babe.
Hello. How you today?
Just got back from the markets. Here's all the things that we got. We got a tray of mangoes for $10, which is an absolute bargain. It's still winter, which means they're new season, and they're always sweeter when they're new season mangoes, so that's a win. It looks like a lot, but we will go through them in a week, and if we don't, we'll freeze the rest for smoothies. We've got our duck eggs, 7 loaves of the Italian dark rye sourdough, and 4 loaves will go to Jason's parents for the week as well. We got 1 loaf of the pumpkin Italian sourdoughs. That's my favorite. It's really light. It's more like, it's got like a cakey texture. It's really nice and soft on the stomach. Got the fruit, some farm apples and oranges, lemons, bananas, pawpaw, strawberries. I wouldn't usually buy strawberries because they are really heavily sprayed, but I am going to bicarbonate the hell out of them to get the spray off, most of the spray. Got some beautiful flowers. There's a beautiful market store selling market flowers. I got some for me and for my mum who I'm seeing tomorrow. I'll give her a nice little bunch. Got the olives and butter from the Olive Farm store. That's the best butter I've ever had. It's not unprocessed, and it's got covered in herbs, which is a nice little treat. I don't think I'll go back to normal butter ever again. Got a head of broccoli. That's more so for the dog's dinner. Some zucchinis. It's for our dinners and the dog's dinners. Some pak choy. Some purple carrots, which are my favourite vegetable in the whole world, and it's really hard to find them, so I was excited to find them. Some kailan and some choy sum. Choy sum's the original broccoli before it was crossed with cauliflower and turned into broccoli. It's beautiful. It's more stemmy and leafy without the florists on it. Avocados, we've got 4 for $5. Nice chunk of ginger for our lemon ginger honey turmeric teas in the morning. The very last custard apple, there was only 1 there, probably going out of season now. Some Swiss brown mushrooms, and I think that's it. That's all the stuff we got from the markets, and we went to the little fruit shop during the week and got some other stuff. Our fridge is already packed full of produce, but as vegetarians, this is how we eat. We eat really whole, nutritious, farm-picked produce. And I'll show you in next week's vlog how I use some of this produce in our cooking for the week, in our breakfast, lunches and dinners. Delicious!